A custom single-story home just minutes from downtown Summerlin. This one checks all the boxes.
Welcome to 10968 Tranquil Waters in the 24-hour guard-gated community of Willow Creek. Let's check it out.
Anchored by an enormous kitchen island, the open floor plan offers multiple dining and lounging areas, so everyone can stay connected, no matter where they choose to be.
And I choose to be right here. This wine room can hold up to 700 bottles. Cheers to that.
2 sets of oversized sliders open to the backyard where you can enjoy the covered patio, the PebbleTec pool and spa, and the outdoor kitchen, all surrounded by mature landscaping.
I love the hardwood flooring in the primary bedroom and this fireplace. It's gorgeous.
Primary bathroom amenities include a jetted bathtub, a rainfall shower, a dedicated beauty counter, and a large closet with full built-ins. And with 3 additional bedrooms and a den, there's plenty of space for whatever your lifestyle demands, whether that's a home office, a formal dining room, or something else entirely. As a resident of Willow Creek, you'll enjoy exclusive access to tennis and pickleball courts, a half basketball court, a barbecue pavilion, a playground, and a tree-lined green belt that bisects the community. This beautiful walking trail connects Willow Creek to acres of outdoor recreation, Spotted Leaf Park to the west, and the Willows Park and Community Center to the east. Shopping, dining, and entertainment are conveniently located less than a mile away at Downtown Summerlin, home of City National Arena, the Las Vegas Ballpark, and a new Whole Foods Market.
If that single-story Summerlin lifestyle is calling your name, we'd love to show you around. Contact us to schedule your private tour.